Anyways, uh, just have a look here. Yesterday we asked this poll in our internal WhatsApp group also, guys, right? And what do we see here? This is poll about yesterday which we took internally. Here you have the option to choose whatever you can, and we are seeing around 67 members or 66 members have done it on ChatGPT. Only 14 completed on Gemini, and 14 has analyzed, and finally 8 has prepared the final list. Okay, so many learnings that we can take from here. Why are people not taking actions? Right, that's the first learning. Everybody needs job, everybody wants job, everybody says I will do whatever it takes to get the job, but people don't do. Okay, it could be you, it could be maybe other people, but observe a human nature here. They want it, they are struggling, but they still cannot put the work in, and that's a problem. And as long as you cannot put the work in, don't expect output. And because of this, majority of the world is suffering, because they are not ready to put in the work. First of all, they just want the end result, and guys, there is no shortcut. And if you are keeping on looking on shortcuts, your life is not going to be very great. You will struggle a lot, and you will not achieve whatever you want also. So please understand that. Okay, only actions is going to help you, nothing else. Only actions are doorway to success. So only 8 people marking it on like we have done the final. It really means what about the rest? And now if you say no, I don't know how to do, that's again your weakness. You are not thinking smart enough to figure it out. In the times of internet and AI, you're treating yourself as a child that I don't know, please help me. Nobody gets that basic. Nobody gets to that hand holding. You are in real world now, and you are supposed to take care by yourself. Okay, use your intelligence, think, use internet, put work into it. Okay, all the people who have not done it, it's simple question, what were you doing yesterday? Now you might say I was doing all these things, but this is important. This can get you job. This will help you to analyze what market needs. If you don't analyze what market needs, no matter what you do, is everything waste of time, because you don't really know what is expected out of you. Then what are you going to perform? That means lack of priority. When we take interview, this behavior tells us a lot about you. We don't need just technical answers. We can understand a human being by their behaviors. So this tells a lot. Okay, wants the job but not ready to work for it, not committed. If you have a lot of reasons to, then that is a point. Okay, this guy gives a lot of excuses and reasons for failure but cannot get the work done. Right? All these tells about you something. Or if I'm not able to figure out, okay, this guy is not able to solve his own problems using internet, means capability of exploration skills are missing in this guy. All these things tells a lot about human beings. So we need to start thinking. And you might now say, no, I have completed, I did not mark the poll. It again talks about your behavior. Oh, this guy is not serious enough to update his status on work on daily basis. Everything talks about you. What you do, what you don't do, that reflects to the world what kind of person you are. And we are looking for great professionals who can do great work. Automatically, a lot of people gets filtered. And if you think only this day one, this you cannot do, I'm guaranteeing you're never going to put the work that it takes for next 3 months to get the job. If you cannot do simple things, how can you do complicated things? And that's what we have to understand. Okay, that's what we need to understand. Okay, we need to take actions on a daily basis in order to get results, and nobody else is going to do it for you. Okay, so guys, is this clear? Is this clear? Could you please write maybe a one-liner in response? Okay, did you complete it? And if you were not able to do it, what exactly is the reason you were not able to do? Okay, just put it into chat so we can have a look here. Just put it in chat. Did you complete it? Just your name will be visible who have completed it. Like, okay, final list I'm talking about. Completed means you have the final list which you have combined and you have it. 10 people are having, and maybe those 10 people might be here also, majority. Let's see. Let's see. Put a one liner. Did you complete it? Or if you have not completed, just mention why it is not completed. How much is done? Put a quick comment in the chat, guys. Okay, Ajit is completed. Very good. And guys, you can call me Tausif itself. Okay, no need to use the sir title. Everybody in companies you address by the names, even CEOs, and no matter how experienced people are, 30 years of experience, you address by name. You can put a Mr. there if you feel so much is the problem. Okay, everybody focus on the topic. Don't put any other comments here. Okay, there are a lot of people who have not completed. Maybe those people can just put their names also. But we can see a lot of members who have completed. Ajit has completed. Okay, Kanchan has completed. Shubham has completed. Okay, I think because of the Gmail IDs, the naming is like where to start, where to end. Prani Yung. Okay, so I say P has completed. Okay. So, but still, a lot of people have not done it, and we can see internal poll, and here around 5-6 members have marked as completed, like around 5 of them. That is good. Okay, let's take this moment. The point is, even if we discuss the next actions today, it's not going to work out. We know that. Okay, so Margna Vanita is also done. Okay, so checking the JD manually is pending. Okay. Okay, so we have few members who are there who are doing it and some are not doing it. Okay, so chalo, I think let's spend some time today in completing the actions, because if we don't complete the actions, there is no going forward. Okay, because step 1 itself is not taken. How can you go to the step 2? And then it will just be theory and your life will not go anywhere. So this is really important. So today we are supposed to then take actions. Okay, so in this call, let's make it only action taking call. Whatever we discussed yesterday, right now, log in from your laptops and take actions. I will give you some guidance and let's keep doing it together. Okay, everybody. Because no actions, no results. You should guaranteed know that you will not get results because you are not taking actions, right? So please, right actions means right rewards. Wrong actions means wrong rewards. No actions is also like no rewards, right? Fine. So what are we supposed to do? Everyone, today is only then action day. There is no point in discussing the next actions if only like 5 people are doing it. You can imagine lakhs are there in the market who want job, not ready to work for it, means you will not get job. Know the truth. Digest the truth. You deserve no job if you are not working for it. It's that simple. Why do you expect success when you are taking actions which takes you towards a failure? It's very simple. Success is very simple. Okay, either you deserve it or you don't. Your actions will decide whether you will deserve or not. Don't sit and cry in the end, guys. Your life, you are creating it. Nobody else is doing it for you. Okay, so today is only going to be the actions. We will not discuss the next set of ideas. So, what are the actions? And let's say by the end of them today, maybe we should have our technical final list ready. So, step number 1, I think majority of the people have already completed the ChatGPT related technical analysis. Okay, let's take, I think, one by one pinpointed poll we will take. Okay. Did you prepare the tech skills from ChatGPT? Yes or no? Guys, please mark this. एक एक focus करते. If you have done it, very good. Review it. If you have not done it, spend a few minutes right now and we will do. Let's do it one by one polling, guys. No people, we can mark it no. Okay, looks like ChatGPT majority completed. Very good. Those who have not completed, let me tell you the steps you are supposed to take. Okay, almost we see 100% completed, but let's quickly. Okay, there are some guys not done. Let's do it right now. First, log in from your laptops so it becomes easy for you to do all. These actions. Ultimately, job will not come. Simple reason is you are not thinking in the right direction. Then how can you take actions in the right direction, right? So, chalo, let's move it in certain direction. So, what is required? Okay, first of all, you need to launch this document which we shared yesterday. It has initial template of prompt, okay, that you need to put it to AI tool. So this reference document, okay. Those who have not done it on ChatGPT, please do this thing. I'm copying this link. Okay. Please launch this link who has not done it on ChatGPT. Same applies for Gemini also, guys. If you have not done it on Gemini, take this link, start working on Gemini right now. What are you supposed to do? From this link, you are supposed to copy this prompt. This prompt simply says, what are the technical skills required which are relevant for you? If you need to make modifications in this prompt, share me technical skill section to be added in the resume as entry level professional, 0 to 1 year of Java developer who worked on Spring Boot microservice. Include major keywords in job descriptions, which is used by majority of the HR. Okay, add more striking words, group it together so it looks nice in my resume section. Also ensure skills must pass majority of the ATS for majority of job description. Next, everything should be relevant for 0 to 1 year of experience. The highest possibility for resume shortlisting and interview arranging. These are our some initial key points, and we further are telling to ChatGPT system, okay, you give me a prompt which includes my thought process, so ChatGPT can make a better prompt to us. So everybody, copy this as the first prompt, go to your ChatGPT and just place that first prompt to ChatGPT. After that, whatever prompt it gives you, you copy that and then you again paste it back to ChatGPT, and whatever response it might be giving, just get it arranged in this manner, okay, where you have category and then comma separated skills. Just one section, technical skills. All the guys who have not done it, it doesn't take much time. It is like few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes ka work is there. Please do it. Do it right now. Already I gave this link. Copy, go to ChatGPT, get this final list ready. Okay. We will wait here for 3 minutes. Okay. Only 3 minutes. Within that, you have to finish. We can see majority, 88% is already done. And all the 88 guys, okay, who has already done, make sure this is done on Gemini also. Okay. So you just have to go to a different tool, gemini.google.com. Not sure how many of you are even relying on this, but try to understand, rather than just using ChatGPT related knowledge, these guys, Google guys, have a lot of data and they have trained it on that one. So even results of Gemini is very promising, sometimes even better than ChatGPT and more. So yes, let's take the two market players, ChatGPT and Gemini, and try to get the list from both the platforms. So we will not rely on one final list itself, right? Better to have more observations. So all the guys who are saying okay, we are done with ChatGPT, please do similar work on Gemini.google also. Same thing applies. You just take this one, you can say which we will feed into Gemini, and then put this prompt in Gemini, whatever prompt it gives, put it back, get the list there. Okay, so I'm pasting the link. So everybody first complete ChatGPT and then complete this one. Okay. And other guys also who have not done it on ChatGPT, you also take some time to finish it on Gemini also. And once we will wait here for a few minutes till the time these two things are done. Now I'm putting a poll who are done in both the places. After that only you mark this as done. Did you complete tech skills finding on both ChatGPT and Gemini? Yes, both done. First do it, then only mark the poll. Focus on getting the technical skills ready. Write it down wherever it comes through. You can write it in Notepad wherever. I'm starting a timer. I think let's wait here for 5 minutes because this is important. And guys, take actions. You're not realizing what is going to happen to your life if you don't take actions. Success is never going to come to you if you're not taking actions. That is truth. I've seen 15 years in IT industry. I know who get hired. I know who get promoted. I know who get good hike. And I know who are the people who get fired, who are the people who get zero bonuses. Okay? I've done that kind of thing in the IT career for so many years now. And I'm telling you, those who keep working towards their dreams, only their dreams come true. Those who sit, wait, hope, complain, cry, they never go anywhere with their lives. It might be hard, but yeah, you have to digest the real world truth. School time, college time is over. Nobody's coming to take care of you now. You have to take care of yourself. And it's time to stand up and take responsibility for your life. For how long you will complain? It's done. If you don't succeed right now, if you are not getting serious right now, your next 2-3 years will be very much wasted. And then you will be broken from inside. Okay, what am I doing with my life? And then you will compromise. Then you will do jobs which you don't really like to do. And then you will be frustrated out of your life. And then you will have further responsibilities, maybe getting married, maybe loans and other things. And then you will be like, come on, what have I done with my life? I could have been so successful. Complaints because you did not do the right thing when the time was there. Don't blame in the end for others for your failures. You deserve to fail because you never got serious about your own life. Now that is life. That's where we say it's the best teacher, because life will push you down. It will knock you down. And it is observing who are the people who can stand up and deliver. It's up to you basically. Simple, right? Aadha ghanta, 1 hour, you could have done it yesterday. But you did not do. N number of reasons will be there. But end result matters. Not done is not done. That's it. Reasons don't count. Not done is not done. And when the things which needs to be done is not done, you can imagine what is going to happen with such people, right? You cannot expect results if you don't do the right actions, right? Okay. Please finish. There is a timer running. More 2.5 minutes. We will wait here. My work is key. Who really wants to do and who are ready to work for that, I want to just support these people. And if you're committed and you're listening these words, means somewhere inside you, you have that, right? So yesterday there were 40 people. Day before yesterday there were 70. Fine. In the end, maybe 5 will be there. And that is good enough because 5 people took responsibility of their life. That's a big achievement if you really understand. Out of so many chaotic job seekers, 5 people took charge and they did something about it. And these are the people who will get jobs. So I'm happy. Even if there are 5 people in the end who are taking actions, wow, this entire program is marvelous then. It has helped 5 people to take responsibility, not just for current job, but for their entire life. And these 5 people will always be successful. Career may be growth, hikes, promotions, everywhere. Right? Even if it boils down to one person, that's still an achievement, because one life getting upgraded to the next version, that's also an achievement. So, but it's up to you. Will you be that one person? Even if nobody's there, will you be that one person? I will be there Monday to Friday morning 8:30, because I believe that some of you has great potential, just need some guidance. Because I believe in that fact, so I will come. All 5 weeks are going to be publicly open. Every day we will be on YouTube. There is no enrollment for these morning 8:30 sessions, but commitment is required. Let's see who are the committed people. And we know that 80% of the world is not committed enough. And those who say they are, today we are seeing some results, polls. But you have to be honest, you cannot lie for results because your life may, Indian job will not be there. How can you bluff that? Not possible. Okay, final 30 seconds. If you have to finish it both on Gemini and ChatGPT. 94% are done. That's pretty good. It doesn't take much time. Just fat apply it on Gemini, you will get it. Okay, time is coming up. Okay. Okay. So 5 minutes timer we ran. 5 minutes are up. 17 members have marked the poll. 94% are saying both done. That is amazing. 94% out of 17. That's magic. So now that's good. Now, simple thing you are supposed to do, right? Gemini wala bhi, it's just copy pasting. There's nothing more to do. You copy this, you go here, you just put it here, you tell it in the first statement, I want to feed it to Gemini, and then you give an enter. Gemini will process a prompt for you. Okay. Now just see how technical these prompts are, right? Compared to what we are looking for. AI models will respond better to these kind of prompts. So it's very nicely done. So we can simply say, copy this full prompt. Let's copy this prompt. Okay. And we will be putting it back into Gemini system itself to get this list. What? 1 minute also not required. Do it. Things are simple. Okay. This guy is also now telling us something. So what do we have right now? This is market expectation as per AI analysis, and AI has the web knowledge. It's trained on web, it's links, it's real time. So that's powerful. So this is what ChatGPT believes. We don't know what is right or wrong. We will do our own analysis also. This is what ChatGPT believes. And then this is what Gemini believes. So we have the two list with us. Okay. Now we will advance to the next section, where we will be manually exploring. Okay. We will be manually exploring the job descriptions. Manually exploring job descriptions. Daily you might be applying somewhere. Okay, so that's the next point. Daily you might be applying somewhere. Just go to those job platforms. Go to Naukri. Go to LinkedIn. Go to Naukri, go to LinkedIn. There, along with the job opening, there is going to be job description. Or whichever other platforms you are using. Again, if you don't know which to use, you can simply put it to ChatGPT. Okay, put it to ChatGPT. What are the top 3 job portals? Okay, what are the top 3 job portals for 0 to 1 year of Java developer to be placed in Indian IT? Okay, give the portals with maximum chance of interviews and getting shortlisted. Okay, so let's put it. LinkedIn jobs, Naukri, Indeed. So at least we can start with the top players. We put the same year and let's try to see what this guy shares. Thoda relevant information if you can get it from multiple models. Okay, so this guy is saying InstaHire is a good player. Okay, next Naukri.com is there, LinkedIn is there. LinkedIn say referral opportunities ka master will happen. Naukri pe you can scale at big numbers, lot of jobs will be there, and here good responses can happen. So we already know by using two platforms. Now don't ask others, okay, what to do. Once you know the names, go there, check how many jobs are there, apply, and 1 week you can evaluate. But just to clear, so we got some names in front of us, like Naukri, LinkedIn, InstaHire, and Indeed. So due to whatever reason, these 4 players are there. So what you are supposed to do is, you should have an account on all the 4 places and just check there. Maybe within 1 week, just go there and look for filters. Relevant for you, how many jobs came in the last week, in the last month, in the last 3 months? Are they really relevant for you? And try applying and check, are you getting some kind of responses? We already know that these 2 are the top players and definitely you should be there on these platforms. That is guaranteed. There is no escape for that. Other than that, you can spend a few weeks to really draw your own conclusions, whether it is working or not. If you feel this is not really giving you much responses, you can stick with these top performing platforms. It just needs 1 to 2 weeks to draw a conclusion. And majority is doing job hunt since past 6 months also. Still not knowing which platform is going to work. Or figure it out. Observe and see the results, which will work, which will not work. What are you waiting for? Simple hai. Don't complicate simple job hunting process. It's a smart strategy. Figure out by thinking and acting. So right now itself we got some results. So guys, next what are you supposed to do? Wherever you have account right now, don't create it right now in the live call. But if you are already on Naukri or LinkedIn job, just search for jobs which are relevant for you. Look for jobs which are relevant for you and get a job description. Okay, get a job description. Do it right now. Go log in. That's what, log in from your laptops. Okay, all the good companies will have properly written job descriptions. Okay, what they are looking for. If there is no description, if it is only one-liner, maybe those people are not really serious of hiring. So you can ignore such companies where only one-liner is coming, and at least some description should be there. Okay, what type of job it is. Okay, and all the responsible companies will do that, because that's how candidates will know, am I really the right fit for this job? So one-liner se nahi hota, right? Go guys, find some job, and once you have it, you need to copy paste the job description. Okay, one by one you are supposed to do it like this. Maybe you can create a, let's say, different chat, and you copy paste one job description here, maybe from whichever platform, and just ask, what are the hard skills and soft skills this job description needs, and then paste the job description. Okay, put it as list, something like that. That's it. So go to the job description. Why you want to do it manually? No, we don't want to do it manually. Ask ChatGPT to do it. Simply go, what are the hard skills and the soft skills this job description needs? Hard skills, soft skills, they relate with your skill set basically. Okay, which this job description needs, and put it as a list Just tell it like that and paste the job description. AI is going to give you a good response. Once you get the list, maybe copy paste that list in a separate notepad somewhere saying okay, JD1 response and put it here. Do the same for 10 job descriptions. We also want to evaluate. Why blindly just rely on what AI says? In order to you to believe okay, that is the right list, thoda sa self exploration also we will do. Then when we see the relevant information, then when AI also gives it, we can do some matching and then we will believe okay, yeah, this is what industry is really looking for. Then you can do the next step or preparing in that direction. But first we need to have trust okay, yeah, if you don't have this list, you're not working towards what IT wants. And then whatever you're doing, it's waste of time. If you're not going in the direction of IT, how can you get inside IT? You're doing all nonsense stuff parallel just like that and not heading towards IT. This will help you to put the right direction, put the right next step. So guys, everyone, please do this. Do it right now. Simple. You just need to ask this question. What hard skills, soft skills? I'm pasting this in the YouTube chat. Do it for the first one and then continue for 10 more JDs. It will need time. And that is where at least yesterday you should have spent 15-20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. Daily you are applying to so many companies. Copy pasting job description is required. Do it. Please do it, guys. Capability, potential. Somewhere I read this. The world is filled with talented people who did not accomplish success because they never put actions in their talent. Right? So you will also become just like them. You might think you are smart, you might think I can do stuff, but if you don't take action, the world will never reward you. It's very simple. Guys, 9:15 we need to end the call. We have 10 more minutes. And it is a good time. You can go to these JDs and you can get these skills. If in this call you're not able to do 10, at least do 2 or 3. Okay? Do it right now. I'm putting a poll here. Get hard skills and soft skills of get hard skills from job description. Okay, how many did how many GD did you process? You might say, "Arey, but I will believe on AI only. Why I should do hard work?" Arey, thoda kar lo. Your confidence will be different. What AI is giving versus what you are seeing, you will believe it more because then you have to take actions. What if after 1 week you get, nahin, AI to always gives like that only. I don't want to work on all this. What if you draw that conclusion and stop working? So put some hard work. You will believe in your results, right? Okay. 3 or more. How many JDs did you process? 3 or more. Do you have hard skills, soft skills? Okay, I did 2. And right now, let's say 1. So once you take 5 minutes time and then update this poll. I'm starting a 5 minutes timer. Remaining thing you should do 10. Okay, you should do 10. Maybe not in this call, maybe after this call. Because enough sample data should be there in order to draw conclusion. Just 1-2 company ka draw karke, there is nothing value in that. At least minimum 10 job description. So you know how companies are expecting from 0 to 1 year of experience, Java backend developer, right? Java Spring Boot developer. 10 is minimum. You should go maybe 15, 20 also. Because the more you see, the better will come, right? And fatafat, your daily people say, daily I'm applying for 50 companies. अरे उसमें से 20 डाल दो भाई यहाँ पे copy pasting. What's the big deal? चलो 4 minutes. Guys, take actions. I'm telling you. And you should know in the entire world today, nobody else is taking actions for you. If you also don't take, you should imagine nobody worked for you, for your success today. You also did not work, the world also did not work. Means how can you become successful if nobody worked for your success today? So you have to do the work. Everybody is busy in their own lives only, right? You have to take care of your own responsibility, your life, your rules. Get it done. Internet is there. Don't ask you how to do all these things. That is so true. You have a smart brain. You have a smart internet. Think. Okay, 3 more minutes, guys. Good to see 70% have completed 3 or more. Fatafat, try to add more to this job description list. Those who have even done 1, 2, try to find more relevant and then go inside. You can go to Naukri platforms, LinkedIn platforms, or Insta Hire platforms, wherever you have account right now. If you're saying I have not created account, hopefully nobody is like that in this call. Everybody should have account. How will you get hired if you're not on portals, right? Okay, 2.5 minutes to go. Keep doing one by one. Keep doing one by one. And after today's call is done, try to do minimum 10 job descriptions. And in the end, you will have this kind of, so JD2 response, JD2 response, and put the hard skills and soft skills. And then JD3 response. So just keep adding here, hard skill, soft skill, whatever ChatGPT is giving, take it, put it, take it, put it. No need to see whether you know it or not. Doesn't matter. Oh, second phase. First, we are doing analysis. Later, we will try to convert it into action plan. Okay, 2 more minutes to go, guys. Just keep adding here in your notepad somewhere. Tomorrow, we will connect again to discuss the next steps. And these are initial steps. If you are not taking actions in the initial step, further job hunting is really very hard. Okay, it's almost guaranteed. Those who cannot do for 1 week things, they cannot do for even next 3 months. You might say, no, Tosif, I don't really believe in doing it in this manner. Okay, if you have a better approach, go ahead doing that. But if your approach is bad than what we are doing, I think there is a chance to improve your approach then, right? Fine, if you have something even better, you know more things which can get you quickly, do that. But point is, if you think right now whatever you are doing, okay, it can be done better, and what we are discussing in live, it will help you. So why not upgrade? Why not try to take improvement in your actions, right? Keep your ego aside. It's okay, you might be doing something wrong in the past. Correct right now. It's okay, right? Today is a chance to fix your mistakes. Fix it. Simple. Eh? Doesn't matter. Since past 1 year, 2 years, you are hunting and you might be broken right now. No. Start fixing your life right from today. Okay. Today I am in control. Let me start working towards my dreams. I will think smart. I will figure out. Take charge. Doesn't matter. Your past was failed. Doesn't matter. Okay. It is done. It is gone. Today is a new day. You can start correcting your mistakes right from today. And future depends only on today, not on your past. Please remember this. What you're doing today will decide your future, not your past. So doesn't matter. And that's a good quality of a human being. Yeah. It's a nice opportunity given to human beings. If you can improve whenever you want. Okay. So guys, 5 minutes are done. We are in the final few minutes. 9:15 we will complete. I will just tell you what you're supposed to do next. Okay. And we will close the call in 3 minutes here. Basically, once you have the final list, you need to put this all 10, let's say 10 job descriptions you find. Okay. And you need to again put all of this, copy paste everything, give a separation title. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this itself. You copy paste everything. Again, go back to ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT for this because inputs you are providing. You're not relying on web knowledge for making these decisions. So you're just using it for processing, like a calculator, basically. Okay. So you're just giving it to ChatGPT and you should just say, okay, from the below 10 job descriptions, okay, identify top 70% skills which are common in majority of JD. Okay, highlight them separately and create second section where rest of the skills are listed as unique. Means you don't want to miss anything. So whatever common top 70% skills are there, we want that. And whatever is the rest, you should even have that. Nothing but in the end, we will need one list. After this prompt, you will have one technical list and one section will be top 70% skills. Another section will be rest of unique skills. So by this way, we will have three lists. So that's your next move. So this is your analyzed hard work, and then AI did it using ChatGPT and Gemini. So three lists we got. At least, guys, please today finish this. We are almost done. You just need maybe 5 more minutes and you can have this final list. But guys, please make sure today you have three lists with you. And this list is nothing but what IT wants. They are telling. During college time, you might have thought, okay, agar examination paper ke questions, you already know how easy cracking the examination will be, right? You will just prepare that, crack it. In real world, examination papers is already available. They are already telling what is going to come in interview. They are already telling that. Still, we are not preparing for that. How will it work, right? So please. So you should have three lists today. Three technical lists today. One from ChatGPT, one from Gemini, and the third one is merge JD list. What I will do is these things, what I wrote, I will update it into ChatGPT once more. Let's do it one by one. So, okay, let's copy this. I will update it into this Google Drive. Okay, so we have some one place itself where all these things are available. Okay. Okay. So guys, are we done? Please give a quick thumbs up. It's already 9:15. We will end the call now. Are you clear? Okay. Do you think you will be able to do it by tomorrow? You will have the three list. Then we will continue on top of that. देखो guys, if you are not taking actions, you will not progress, and you have to do that. You have to take action. That's it. Guys, are we clear? Please give a quick thumbs up. Then we will end the call today. Tomorrow we will resume from the place where you have three lists. Please give a quick confirmation, guys. Give a quick thumbs up. Are you going to have the three lists? Maybe some might already have it. If not, prepare it. Merge it. Get the top 70%. Because the aim is whatever is the top 70%, they have to mandatory be there in the resume. Otherwise, you're not getting shortlisted. And then you will compare with AI and then see what more should be there in the resume. That's how we will be progressing. So tomorrow's activity will be based on the analysis which you do today. Okay. Chalo. Good. Very good. Many people have given the confirmations. Thank you all. I request you to spend daily 10 to 12 hours because you need to do preparation, job hunting, dedication is required. There is no time to waste, no time to cry, complain, I am not getting job. We need 10 to 12 hours to work to get the job. Okay? So thank you all. See you tomorrow morning, 8:30 back again. Okay? Bye everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.